When you need to change your visible phone number, you have two distinct options available. Understanding the difference between porting and changing your number is crucial for making the right choice. There are two ways to get a different phone number with Visible. Porting means transferring your existing phone number from another carrier to Visible. Changing means getting a completely new phone number while staying with Visible. Porting allows you to keep your current phone number and is typically free when switching to Visible. The process usually takes between 2 to 24 hours depending on your current carrier. You don't lose your existing number. Changing your number means getting a completely new phone number. This option requires a $15 fee, processes almost immediately, but you permanently lose your previous number. The porting process involves several steps to ensure your number transfers successfully from your current carrier to Visible. Changing your number is simpler, but involves switching between different carrier systems, which is why there's a fee involved. To summarize the key differences, porting is usually free and keeps your current number, but takes time. Changing costs $15, gives you a new number immediately, but you lose your old number permanently. Choose porting if you want to keep your existing number, or choose changing if you need a new number right away. There are two ways to get a new phone number with Visible: porting your existing number from another carrier, or changing to a completely new number within Visible. Let's start with porting your number from another carrier to Visible. This process keeps your current phone number while switching to Visible's service. The porting process involves 5 key steps. First, you need to gather your account information from your current carrier. Step 1 requires 4 pieces of information from your current carrier: your account number, PIN or password, billing zip code, and the account holder name. Step 2 is signing up for Visible service. You can do this online or through their mobile app. During sign-up, select Keep My Number and enter all the account information you gathered. Step 3 is activation. Insert your Visible SIM card or configure your eSIM, then wait for the port completion notification. This typically takes 2 to 4 hours for wireless transfers. Now let's look at changing your number within Visible. This is for when you want a completely new phone number while staying with Visible. To change your number within Visible, start by logging into the Visible app or website. Navigate to Account Settings, then select Change Phone Number. There's a $15 fee for changing your number within Visible. After selecting your new number, confirm the change, restart your device, and update your contacts with the new number. Remember these key points. Porting keeps your current number and is usually free, while changing gives you a new number for $15. Always keep your old service active during porting and allow up to 4 hours for the process to complete.